Hi, this video is on how to install extensions to Google Chrome, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Basically, if you're logged in as a member of the Trail Enterprise, you're going to be able to see the Trail web store. And to get there, I'm going to hit the three dots and I'm going to go down to Settings. And then I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side to Extensions, click right here on the Chrome Web Store to get to the list of extensions. So I'm going to go to the NTLS Chrome app list. These are all the ones that are already been pre-approved to be used here at National Trail. They can be removed or added at any time. So if you go up here and you put in Reader View and you go to the Reader View extension and add that to Chrome, you have to give it permission again. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pin that one as well to show you what that looks like. If I have this same article open for To Kill a Mockingbird and the reader really has a hard time because it's hopping back and forth between everything that's on this page. If I click Reader View and it brings up a simplified version. Now read and write with Google Chrome doesn't work with this. It's got its own reader. So if I go and hit the play button over here, I now have these options pop up. I can pause it. I can go to settings. I can change the pitch. I can change the speed. I'm sorry, I did those backwards.
Genre Southern Gothic.
So I can change it a little bit. I can also pop fast forward to things, but it doesn't do it quite as well as read and write for Google Chrome, but it does simplify the page so that I can more easily have it read to me as well.
In the United